Hey guys, we're back to Dream Car Racing with Cam Moron.
Front wheelie.
I'm here with Clappy.
Hello.
Clappy. There's Clappy.
I'm
Clappy,
making
Clappy,
episode
Clappy.
number 9.
Clappy, 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 Clappy.
No.
Clappy, Clappy.
One app.
Okay, so anyway, we're gonna be doing the snow level today. Ooh, we have to make a better car.
Car's already shit as it is.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna go.
Touch your ass.
Whee!
Good morning, everybody. Again, our bell system is down. It is 8:05. Classes begin now. 8:05. High school staff will be taking over the announcements for that bell system. We are 8:05. Classes begin now. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Cameron, look where I pause.
In the middle of a black flip.
Cameron, your car sucks right now.
I know.
You suck dick as it is.
Shut up. Just screw. I know. I have a terrible YouTube channel right now.
Yeah, one video. Only like 2 views.
Shut up.
Hey, my newest one got more views than yours. I got 17 views on it.
Good job, Joe.
Jeez.
I have more than your first video. I have 2 views.
No, my first video got 76.
Fuck.
What was this? What was it about, Joe?
Nothing.
What'd you do?
Guys, we are getting money.
Yeah, your car's very slow compared to mine.
Oh, just wait until I get the perfect car to get money.
Hey, I know how to build the fastest car.
Yeah, he does.
I know how to get
I do.
He uses like 3 pieces.
I use 1 piece of wood, 2 wheels, 1 motor, and a cockpit. And 2 chains.
Yeah,
chain it all.
I didn't know physics went much into this that much.
No, physics sucks in this game.
He realized that I created the fastest vehicle. And then he tried to get a piece of that. And then he couldn't build it.
Nope.
Yeah, I remember that.
It was so sad.
Those are pretty dang cool. Pretty dang cool.
77 cookies per minute.
Cool, Joe.
I just started this game.
Oh,
20 minutes.
oh, baller.
Oh.
You're not gonna make it up that hill. Oh, you might.
I
You know
made it
you
up
can
the
sell
hill.
that chain for extra money?
I know.
Do it.
Wee.
Do it.
Well,
Do it.
Whee!
No.
We're going, guys. We're going. We're going up another hill.
Guys.
Oh no! Oh yeah, look at them cookies.
well, guys, we're back.
Yeah,
we died,
cookies are racking
sadly, and let's restart.
Hey, I got a mine.
Surprising. He paused and then died.
Yeah.
Guys, no, our vehicle sucks too much.
I'll go back and go forward.
Yeah, I know.
You swallow anyway.
Shut up.
Another mine.
Oh, that's it. Guys, we're gonna kill ourselves. Whee! Smack.
Want me to show you the fastest vehicle I created?
Yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna clear design, and then we get all of our money. Ooh yeah, lots of terrible fucking money. Yeah. I'm just gonna try something.
Just telling you, you might have more money than you started out with.
Low baggy.
Because,
Guys, yes, we got it.
let's just say,
This is one of my fastest cars that I've ever drove. It's
yeah,
it's
you
at the,
sound
it's
appreciated.
it's one of its lowest up forms though.
Hey, let me.
No.
Fuck, I forgot.
It's Dream Car Racing Evo.
Just go to the normal website. Short.
But maybe I want to go on Evo, the official website, like you're on.
And gotta play.
Jump record.
My jump
I
record.
love jump.
I can't beat my jump record.
What do you mean you can't?
I can't.
We unlocked jump.
No joke. I can't
Jump.
beat it.
We unlocked the jump.
It's
Hey, there's
too,
me.
It's too high for somebody to beat it.
Yeah, I've beat.
We're going.
Wait, How high is it?
I don't know. I forgot.
It's as high as 420.
Now we're on dump, guys. And here
You're
we
gonna
go.
be surprised how simple this machine is.
Jump record, distance record. Dump.
Yep.
Go,
It's a
my
dump,
young kennels.
There it is.
Oh, it's a moped.
Yeah, it's the fastest design I ever made, and it beat the fastest vehicle. Nobody still knows. See what? It's fast.
Oh, jeez, that is good.
The back shock fucked up. If you're going too fast, the back shock says no, and it's gonna explode on you.
No.
Guess what, guys? We're gonna get a new car. Okay, clear design. Oh, Obi-Wan Kenobi, show me the ways of car building. I think.
Figure out your own way.
Yeah, I don't think.
Actually, I can build this thing backwards too.
What do you mean backwards?
I can build it backwards, Cameron.
No.
You know how you can't build your graphics backwards?
Yeah.
I can.
Let's
I
go.
put it like that, and then I could flip the shop over there.
Cameron, jump is hard. It's all bumpy and everything.
I know. I beat Jump once.
Oh. Then why don't you have jump anymore?
It's not a met.
Okay, here we go.
It's a
Well,
process,
guys.
by the way.
Calvin, Taylor, Logan, Brun, Cameron,
Yep.
Tommy, Charlie, Devin, Zach,
Yeah,
You
Mira.
want me to just put it on the stores?
Carson is here,
I'll put it on the stores if you want.
Oh, yes, please.
Save.
Next.
Did you stop somewhere on the way here?
Trying to make the car that Joe made?
Yeah. It looks freaking terrible, though.
Here I saw him.
What the?
Is that it?
Bella, you didn't do that to me.
It's close.
You have no money.
No.
It's called Hit Full Upgrade.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they're cutting those out and
Did you forget to put chains on?
Yes, I did.
then we'll get started. Finish your breakfast.
Oh, dope.
What's gonna be the
Hit cool.
What's gonna be the access code? You should just make it like CC or like 112.
Hit cool.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay. 486829.
Might not have enough cash.
486829.
Woo!
What the fuck?
I can't have it with all the upgrades, so I can only.
Haha. Good shit.
Oh, it didn't even work. Oops.
I don't know what the fuck happened.
Yeah, you don't have enough money.
Yeah, I didn't have enough money. I had enough money to load in like half of the car.
Wow, Cameron. Even I have enough money for that. You
Shut
poor.
up.
You poor. You
Shut
very
up.
poor.
Shut up.
You
Is there a way to
poor.
downgrade something?
Yeah. The downgrade.
All right.
You poor. You very poor. Even I have more money than you. And I haven't been played for about way too long.
You
Cameron.
guys are back, and let's resume.
Cameron. This is the fastest one. This is the fastest car that everybody says it is, but it's not. You're missing the back shot. Well, yeah, you're missing. Oh,
Guys, we're
click
gonna
right
try to
there.
make the car.
Oh, click the engine. No, it has to be length.
No. Okay, let's.
Oh, that's what I'm missing?
Yeah, it has to be length.
Clear.
Now try.
Okay, so
Oh, it's just missing. So just grab the tire and move it back a little.
So,
Well, guys, designing a car takes a while.
And that one ain't long enough.
Dang it.
Ah, you're out. This is the fastest car.
Well, guys,
I'll continue this in the next video, and please subscribe and like the video.
thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share,
Comment below.
have fun times. This is Kim saying good day.
I need you guys to
Bye.
be quiet.